Remember that time you found out you were going to be a parent? It's one of those moments that etches itself into your memory forever. The sheer shock, the overwhelming joy, and the sudden realization that your life is about to change in the most incredible way. It's a moment you never forget. The emotions are so raw and real. You feel like you're on top of the world, yet there's a part of you that's grounded by the enormity of what's to come. One minute you're living your life, and the next, bam, you're growing a human. It's like the universe hands you this incredible gift wrapped in layers of surprise and anticipation. Talk about a plot twist. It's the kind of twist that makes you rethink everything, from your daily routine to your long-term plans. Suddenly, every decision feels monumental. For many, it was a mix of pure joy and, oh my God, what do I do now? The excitement was palpable, but so was the anxiety. It's like standing on the edge of a cliff, ready to dive into the unknown. Finding out about the first pregnancy was like winning the lottery and getting struck by lightning at the same time. The rush of emotions was electrifying, leaving one both exhilarated and a little bit terrified. The excitement was off the charts, but so were the nerves. Every flutter in the stomach felt like a reminder of the incredible journey ahead. It's a roller coaster of emotions, each twist and turn bringing something new. It's totally normal to feel a whirlwind of emotions. From joy to fear, from excitement to doubt, it's all part of the process. Embrace each feeling, knowing that it's all leading to something beautiful. Just breathe. You've got this. Take it one day at a time and remember that you're not alone. There are countless others who have walked this path before you, and many who will walk it after. Trust in yourself and the journey ahead. Educate yourself, seek support, and take care of your well-being. This is a time for growth, not just for the baby, but for you as well. Every step you take is a step towards a new chapter in your life. Prepare for the arrival of your little one with love and anticipation. Each preparation, no matter how small, is a testament to the love and care you already have for your baby. It's a beautiful journey, filled with moments that will stay with you forever. Cherish every moment, from the first ultrasound to the first kick. These are the memories that will shape your journey into parenthood. Embrace the changes, the challenges, and the joys that come with this incredible adventure. Remember, you are stronger than you think and more capable than you know. This journey is yours to embrace with all its ups and downs. So take a deep breath and step into this new chapter with confidence and love. Let's talk about the first trimester, shall we? Imagine the most epic sugar rush ever, followed by the worst hangover, all while riding a roller coaster blindfolded. Yeah, that's pretty much it. The joy is real, but so is the morning sickness. Oh boy, the morning sickness. Crackers became my best friends, and ginger ale was my drink of choice. And don't even get me started on the smells. Suddenly, everything smelled like a dumpster fire. It's amazing how your body transforms overnight to accommodate this tiny little human. Speaking of transformations, hold on to your hats, ladies, because pregnancy is one wild ride for your body. We're talking weight gain, bloating, and boobs that could rival Dolly Parton. It's like your body decided to throw a going-away party for your old self, and everyone's invited. But hey, it's all for a good cause, right? We're growing a human being here. Embrace the changes, rock those maternity jeans, and don't be afraid to show off that beautiful bump. You're a goddess, mama. Okay, let's talk food, because pregnancy cravings are no joke. One minute you're craving pickles and ice cream, the next it's sushi and hot sauce. Don't worry, I won't tell your doctor. But seriously, it's important to nourish your body with healthy, nutrient-rich foods. Think fruits, veggies, lean protein, and whole grains. And drink plenty of water. Your body needs it now more than ever. As for what to avoid, well, your doctor will give you the official list, but let's just say raw fish and unpasteurized cheese are a no-no. Saying no for 2 activities to avoid. Pregnancy is a time to listen to your body and take it easy. Your body is working hard to grow a new life, and it needs all the support and care you can give it. That means saying no to certain activities, no matter how much you love them. It's important to prioritize your health and the health of your baby. Sorry, but extreme sports and contact sports are out of the question. Activities like skydiving, bungee jumping, and even high-impact aerobics can pose significant risks. And while a glass of wine might sound tempting, it's best to avoid alcohol altogether. Alcohol can affect your baby's development and lead to complications. Trust me, that glass of wine will still be there after the baby arrives. It's a small sacrifice for the well-being of your little one. Focus on gentle exercises like walking, swimming, or prenatal yoga. These activities are not only safe, but also beneficial for your physical and mental health. And don't forget to rest. Adequate rest is crucial during pregnancy. Your body needs time to recharge and rejuvenate. You're growing a human, remember? This is a miraculous and demanding process, so be kind to yourself and take all the necessary precautions to ensure a healthy pregnancy. Educate yourself about what activities are safe and which ones to avoid. Consult with your healthcare provider to get personalized advice. Incorporate relaxation techniques like meditation and light stretching into your daily routine. These can help reduce stress and improve your overall well-being. Pay attention to your diet as well. Eating nutritious foods and staying hydrated are essential for both you and your baby. Avoid heavy lifting and strenuous activities. Don't hesitate to ask for help when you need it. Your safety and comfort are paramount. Engage in hobbies that bring you joy and relaxation. Whether it's reading, painting, or knitting, find activities that make you happy and stress-free. Take this time to prepare for your baby's arrival. Organize the nursery, shop for baby essentials, and enjoy the anticipation of meeting your little one. Connect with other expectant mothers and share your experiences. Joining a prenatal class or support group can provide valuable insights and emotional support. Remember, pregnancy is a journey, and every step you take is a step towards welcoming your baby into the world. Take it one day at a time and cherish every moment. The emotional roller coaster, joy, fear, and everything in between. Pregnancy is a roller coaster of emotions, and I'm not just talking about the crying jags you have while watching dog food commercials. It's a time when your feelings can swing wildly from one extreme to another, often without any warning. You might find yourself tearing up at the smallest things, like a touching scene in a movie or a heartfelt commercial. These emotional moments can catch you off guard, leaving you feeling vulnerable and exposed. One minute you're over the moon with joy, feeling an overwhelming sense of happiness and excitement about the new life growing inside you. The sight of an ultrasound photo or a positive pregnancy test can fill you with a sense of wonder and anticipation. You might find yourself daydreaming about the future, imagining all the wonderful moments you'll share with your baby. The next, you're paralyzed with fear. Doubts and worries can creep in, making you question whether you're ready for this huge responsibility. You might worry about your baby's health, your own health, or how you'll manage the changes that are coming. These fears can be overwhelming, making it hard to focus on anything else. It's normal to feel overwhelmed, anxious, and even a little bit scared. These feelings are a natural part of the pregnancy journey. You're not alone in experiencing them, and it's important to acknowledge and accept them. Trying to suppress or ignore these emotions can make them even more intense. Hormones are surging through your body, amplifying your emotions and making it harder to keep them in check. These hormonal changes can lead to mood swings where you feel happy one moment and sad the next. It's like being on an emotional seesaw, constantly shifting from one feeling to another. And it's okay to not feel like yourself all the time. Talk to your partner, share your feelings and concerns with them. They can offer reassurance and support, helping you navigate the emotional ups and downs. Having open and honest conversations can strengthen your relationship and make you feel more connected. Your friends, your family, or even a therapist. Reaching out to others can provide a sense of comfort and understanding. Friends and family members who have been through pregnancy can offer valuable advice and empathy. A therapist can help you work through your emotions and develop coping strategies. Don't be afraid to ask for help and support. It's a sign of strength, not weakness. Surround yourself with a support network that can lift you up when you're feeling down. Remember, you're not alone on this journey, and there are people who care about you and want to help. Relationships reinvented. Partners, friends, and family. Pregnancy can be a beautiful time for relationships, but it can also be a time of adjustment. Your partner might not understand why you're crying over spilled milk, again. And your friends might not get why you'd rather stay in and watch reruns of Friends than go out dancing. Communication is key. Talk to your loved ones about how you're feeling and what you need from them. Remember, they're on this journey with you, even if they don't always know what to say or do. Dear Diary, documenting the journey. Pregnancy is a time you'll want to remember forever, even the not-so-glamorous parts. So grab a journal, start a blog, or simply jot down your thoughts and feelings in a notebook. Document the milestones, the cravings, the funny moments, and even the tough times. Years from now, you'll cherish these memories and be able to share them with your child. Plus, it's a great way to track your pregnancy progress and document all those crazy hormonal moments. You've got this, mama. Pregnancy is a journey, and like any journey, it has its ups and downs. There will be days when you feel amazing, and days to bed and hide from the world. And that's okay. Just remember that you're not alone. Millions of women have gone through this before you, and millions more will go through it after you. You've got this, mama. Trust your instincts, listen to your body, and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Share your story. I'd love to hear about your pregnancy journey. What are some of the things you're most excited about? What are your biggest fears? Share your thoughts, experiences, and advice in the comments below.